Hello guys, today we will solve minimum rounds to complete all tasks, which is Leetcode problem. So you are given a zero index integer array of tasks where task I represent the difficulty level of a task in each round. You can complete either 2 or 3 tasks of the same difficulty level. So we have to return how much round it required to complete all the task, or -1 if it is not possible to complete the task. Okay, we understood the question here. So there will be a task given of different level of difficulty. So we have to complete either the task, either 2 tasks or 3 tasks together. Two tasks or 3 tasks together. So to complete all the task, so we will see how much level 2 tasks are there. Level 2 difficulty task, level 2 tasks are there. So 1, 2 and 3. So we can complete all 3 by using in round 1 only. We will complete all 3 tasks in round 1. So we will see for another difficulty level. So they are 1, 3 are 1 and 2. So we can also complete this level 3 by completing 2 tasks together. So for round 2 we will complete 2 tasks together of difficulty level 3. And for 4 we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So there are 5 tasks to complete in level difficulty level 4. So we can complete first 2 tasks in round 3 and another 3 tasks in round 4. So total round taken is 4. So this is the problem. And another example, so here is example for -1. So why -1 came here? Because for level 2 there's only one task to it. So here in the question they told you have to complete either 2 tasks or 3 tasks. So if you can't complete the task, we have to return -1. So the reason for this, there is only one task to complete, so we can't complete, so if we return -1. So how to do this solution? So we can use max here. So how we can use max? So if the frequency of level 2 or level, let's assume level 2 is only 1, so we will return -1 because we can either complete it by either 2 or 3 tasks. So we can't complete this. So if there is two, if there are two variables like here, like here there's 2. So we can see to complete this task we can complete directly by 1 because we can complete task either 2 or 3 together. So we will see for 3 tasks. So for 3 tasks we can also complete it only in round 1 only, because we can either complete 3 tasks together or 2 tasks. But for 4, what we have to do here, we have to we can't complete in round 1 because 2 and 3 is some maximum we can solve. So we will complete task 4 in 2 rounds. First we'll complete 2 tasks, another will complete 2 tasks. And for 5, if there is a 5 task from same difficulty level, so we have to complete this task either completing first 3 tasks and 2 tasks. So can you if you come for 6 tasks, so if there's a 6 tasks of the same difficulty level, so we can solve this equation by 3, 3. So as we can see, we can compute this equation. We can resolve 3 will take only 2 rounds, only 2 rounds, only 2 rounds. So we can say here to complete any task, we have to, if to complete any task in a round. So this is round, how much round it will take. So assuming the value of k plus 2 and completing all divided by 3, adding all divided by 3. So assuming, see, there are 8 tasks to be completed. So from the formula we can say 8 plus 2, which will come around 10. When we have to divide it by 3, so it will take how much round? It will take 3 rounds to complete this task. So we can see 8. We can solve this equation by 3 comma 3, which will come to 6. Then we can solve this by 2. So we take 3 rounds to solve this equation. I hope you understood like why this equation came. So let's see how to solve this. Okay. So we have to need how much frequency are there for each value, each level, like how much levels are, how much difficulty level has like how many rounds are there. So we have to find the frequency of that. So we will use hash map. And okay, after using hash map, we will iterate to full task. How much, how many tasks are there? How many a from task. We have to iterate for everything. So we have to put map, like whatever is there, map dot put a comma map dot we can use here get or default. So what this does here, so if there's already in the equation, we'll just default, it will get added. If it is not, then it will go 0, and we have to add +1 because we have found the variable, the level of difficulty there, so we will add 1 here. After finding this, so we have to find how many are there, so how many results are there. So we have to see result is equal to 0, and after that we have to iterate to the map how many frequencies are there. So for int k to the map dot values, so it will iterate to all the values of the map. So the result will be, so we have to add every rounds, how many rounds are there. So we have to calculate all the rounds by using this formula, which is this formula, k plus 2 divided by 3, how many rounds it will take to solve any equation. So this much it will take. Then we have to return result, seal if this runs. Okay. At okay, order default. Okay, now we should run. Now we have to use camel case. Okay, see, I did here, if the frequency is 1, so we have to do -1 also. I have to return it directly. If I find any k is equal to -1, so we have to return a -1. So if I find frequency is equal to 1, so you have to return -1. Now it should run. Sorry, I didn't place this one. I've just submitted. Yeah, it's running. So this equation is running. And if there is any problem, just comment. And if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.